For investors, the stock charts of the past 2 weeks have been painful to look at. But for artist Sara Meojas, they are a thing of beauty. Meojas, a 24-year-old rising star of the art world, has taken over a Manhattan gallery for an unusual performance piece, trading stocks and turning their movements into paintings. It's a comment on what really drives stocks and how stocks drive our economy and culture.
The financial markets have just grown in size and importance over the last 25 years in such a phenomenal, almost sublime way that I'm just responding to the world.
Meojas used her own money to buy a dozen small, thinly traded stocks, move their price, and then paint the trade on canvas. She picked stocks based largely on their quirky names, like Paradise Inc. or Pope Resources, rather than fundamental analysis.
The broker called me up and told me I was the only person on Paradise, and that, if I was sure of what I was doing, which I was.
Yet her experiment came at a dramatic moment in the markets. When Sara and the gallery planned this project several months ago, she had no idea she would be painting one of the worst market downturns in recent history. On her first day of trading on January 8th, the market fell nearly 200 points and fell another 600 during the rest of her performance. The falling market didn't directly affect her trades, but it reminded Meojas, who has an economics degree from Wharton and interned at a hedge fund, just how volatile and emotional stock values can be.
When fundamentals don't explain what's going on, you are forced to acknowledge the power of sentiment. Like, how is it that people think one thing on a Monday and think something totally radically different on a Thursday when nothing enormous has actually happened?
She lost tens of thousands of dollars on her trades, and many may wonder whether a black line on a white canvas is really art.
I think it's fantastic because it looks to me like the forces of the market and the economy are essentially making paintings.
She's already sold most of them, priced at $10,000 each. So now these portraits of a market crash will hang on some very expensive walls.
I'm happy that they're selling and that they're entering in people's homes, and it's essentially, all markets are linked. And here this is somewhat this physical link between sort of the financial market and then now the art market.
For Nightly Business Report, Robert Frank, New York.